Hello guys, in this video we'll make attendance system project using EM18 module to read our RFID. So let's get started. We'll take a on receive node. Go to its property, we'll configure our serial port. Select UART1. Speed bits per second is 9600 as per the datasheet of our EM18 RFID reader module. We are not using transmitter pin, so we'll make it -1. RX pin 18. Click on add. Mode normal. In the output, we'll get data of our RFID. Click on done. To print data on serial display, we'll take a display node. Make the flow. Save the flow. Verify the flow. And we are good to upload it. Let's go to a serial display. Select port. There's no RFID of the card. Let's check the other one. I guess there's some hardware issue. Let me verify. Oh yeah, we haven't passed our data variable to the display. Save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Let's go to our serial display. Select port, clear output. As we can see, we got our RFID.